All right. So Anthony Castillo redeemed Teach Me a Song. And this is Will in the Sky by Journey. Now I play it, let's see. Winter is here. I'm not sure if this is the original key. I just pick whatever key I like best. And I'm playing it in A minor, capoed up. So, you know, this is one of those songs that has kind of a fancy finger picking thing that I don't really do. If you want to, though, you can get fancier with it, but I'm playing A minor, C, G, then doing a little hammer on pull off on the B string, first fret, and then repeat that again. If you're real fancy, you can do something, you know, but you gotta move around a little bit for that. And then it goes to the F. Wait, is he not here? So then the chorus is A minor. And I kind of do this thing where I go, you kind of like open this all the strings, and then let me make sure my hand's visible. So I kind of just go, you're off, and then back to the A minor. Winter is here again, oh Lord. Haven't been home in a year or more. I hope she holds on a little longer. So it's A minor, G, F, basically. I'll mark it so I can put it out later. Obi's raiding again. Hey, Obi. Welcome, raiders. So those chords repeat A minor, G, F. I'm teaching a song right now. Welcome in, Obi. Thank you for the raid. How was your stream? And then sent a letter on a long summer day. Do that thing again. Made of silver, not of clay. To the G, who have been F down this dusty road. So here's the chorus. It's just A minor, C, G again, just like the intro. Wheel in the sky keeps on turning. I don't know where I'll be tomorrow. Wheel in the sky keeps on turning. Then we go to the F again. Then do the little trick again. So you repeat that for the second verse, second chorus. Then there's like a little break at the end of the second chorus. Wheel in the sky keeps on turning. Goes to the F. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My, for tomorrow. So then there's a guitar solo section, which is basically another verse. Wait, no, it's not. It's just A minor and G. Then it goes to that. that's F and A minor. I'm gonna write this down actually. I've never written it part down. So it's A minor G, and then F and A minor. Holds on the F, and I kind of like chug it for a second, and then go to the chorus again. Oh, the wheel in the sky keeps on turning. I don't know where I'll be tomorrow. Wheel in the sky keeps me yearning. Oh, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. And then you just repeat that till the end, and it's the same chords. Wheel in the sky keeps on turning. Don't know where I'll be tomorrow. And that's just A minor, C, G. And then the end, I end it on an A minor instead of a G. So I go, wheel in the sky keeps turning. Wheel in the sky keeps on. And go back to the A to resolve it. Turning. No, that's not how they end it in the song, or original song. They probably have a lot of different ways of doing it, but that's just for my acoustic purposes. So let me pause for a second and say hello to our raiders. Obi, thank you so much. Willkommen, danke for the raid. Obi, so glad to see you. I hope you had a wonderful stream. And nice stream today, he says. Good. This will be on the, I'll probably put it up on the YouTube after I'm going to play the whole thing. And, but Milk Van Kolak, thank you for the follow. Guys, you know our friend Obi, thank you for shouting him out and give him a follow. I'm going to play the Obi raid song after I play Wheel in the Sky. Unless, Obi, if you'd like to request a whole song, feel free to request a song and we will play an entire song for you. Lucia Sophia, hello. Thank you guys. All right, we're going to play this Journey tune though for Anthony Castillo. Oh, and Rescular, thank you for sharing about the YouTube. We need about 60 more YouTube subs to beat our 3,000 sub goal, and I would love to do it by the end of January. We've got 4 more days. That means we need 10 new subs per day. I think we can do it. Can we do it, guys? Check out my YouTube channel where you will find highlights from all of my streams and other good and fun things happening. All right, we're gonna do this song. You can play along if you like. All right. Thank you for following. Good night, Milk Van Kolak. Thank you for the follow. Hope to see you back here again. Wheel in the sky keeps on turning. Wheel. Thank you, Ruscular, for sharing as well. I'm going to start that over because I messed with my pedal in the middle of it. 1, 2. someday, made of silver, not of clay. Ooh, I've been running down this dusty road. Ooh, the wheel in the sky keeps on turning. I don't know if I'll be tomorrow. Wheel in the sky keeps on turning. Richard, thank you for the 777 tip. Hi, Rashdan. I've been trying to make it home. Got to make it before too long. Ooh, I can't take this very much longer. No, I'm stranded in the sleet and rain. Don't think I'm ever gonna make it home again. The morning sun is rising, it's kissing the day. Oh, the wheel in the sky keeps on turning. I don't know if I'll be tomorrow. Wheel in the sky keeps on turning. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My, for tomorrow.